In few days to come, Nigeria is going to witness the worst fuel scarcity in Nigeria. And what is the meaning of this? You will go to fuel station, you are not going to be able to get fuel for months. As an APCO is changing some strategy in Nigeria, a lot of things are going on. So you may not be able to fuel your car very soon. As that one dey happen, they say that native doctor wey come outside dey call blast Ebuka say he want to draw fight with Ebuka. They say Zionists now come tell am say they no need to call God though, they go send DSS come after am. The man don come outside o, come beg, go say abeg make una leave am, make dey do im native doctor work. My people, don ready. Let me play you the video, make you watch the moment that the Nigerians are discussing that very soon they may go into a worse fuel scarcity in Nigeria. Just watch the video. Don't forget to see there for Balaba Gist. Watch this video.
Mr. Falano, what do you make of this sort of statement coming from the NNPCL as some sort of fear of further scarcity of petrol, which could also now worsen the kind of fuel queues that we see at different filling stations across the country?
Well, I'm worried that the Skoda notes are oozing out of the seat of power with regards to the supply of petrol in the country. The NNPCL is coming out rather belligerently and assuring Nigerians that regular supply of assuring Nigerians that there will be regular supply of PMS. But in that statement, which is extremely loaded, then NNPCL is also talking about affordability, sustainability, and the rest of them. If you consider that statement, along with the official pronouncement of the Minister of State in the Ministry of Petroleum Resources, Honorable Enekin Lokobiri, who had said during the week that the country can no longer afford to sustain 600 naira per liter of fuel, because according to him, smuggling is on the ascendancy because the pipelines are old too, because of the nefarious activities of smugglers. Once again, Nigerians are being informed that very soon we are going to be collectively penalized for the criminal activities of smugglers. For me, the government has to come up clean. If it wants to increase the pump price of PMS once again, the government should announce it. This, what Nigerians are being subjected to, is unacceptable. And I was very embarrassed as a Nigerian. And I think majority of Nigerians are. If a government comes out to say that we are helpless, we are incapable to check the activities of criminals, smugglers, and therefore all of you will have to be held responsible. Whereas, and I'm challenging the minister publicly, that in 2010, the government entered into a PPP arrangement with a company called TPMS to install a cargo tracking system in the ports. That system for 1 year checked or monitored oil theft, smuggling of petrol out of the country. But what happened after a year? Criminal elements pressurized the government to cancel the contract. But the pressure on the government continued. By 2018, August 2018, the government awarded a 17 billion naira contract to check and stop smuggling of petrol out of Nigeria. In fact, all tankers taking petrol out of Nigeria were going to be tracked by a particular software, Aquila. But what happened? The money was criminally diverted. The software was not installed. And nobody up to now has explained what happened to the fund.
So if you have money to buy fuel now, buy them now, because very soon you will not be able to buy. Let us go and watch this video between Ebuka and this native doctor before we come back and continue.
Can you never see that trend? This come there, no here. No one is home or Mera Igbo. No one is home or Mera. No, but there is not from one from Lagos. But you know, Kiano Boda. Boy, Igbo. So, call up Pedic and Nabuyamba. I've been very, very sorry. By you mentioned Ebuka name, put where in a challenge. All you have to approve this message to say, call Ebuka and the code one desire minister. Now, more work a hit for what say. Now, I'm very, very sorry. By you, Ebuka Biafra, Gioku and the put where on a challenge. You on the man, Mamma. You're me on the man, Meron. DSS on a one to walk. Opposite police. Now, what to walk? Because you put a police on. Church, is it all about police? Church, is it all about money the petition? Church, is it all about little Madinga? I want to understand. American church, are they working with police? So God doesn't fight anymore. Is it DSS now is fighting for God? DSS on a one to walk. I want to ask you, as in all about church, police, that petition at all Madinga. So that means I want you to clear me. Opposite police. Now what's the walk? Because you put a police on. What concerns DSS concern what we are in the now? You see, let's see about that DSS. The man of they say about that DSS and I'm giving it. And it's not condemn anybody. But when people try to anybody future or church, not as gate, 419, no, put not beach. No. I only ask for challenge.
You see people when we say the white people will live for their country. So white people will live for their country. They put them hand for eyes.
Church is not all about threatening.
Carry hand church is not all about police. Anyhow. If you and they don't want the South Africans to go there, the black South Africans to go there. And you guys, the black South Africa are busy chasing their brothers. When these people will come for you, is this same black Nigerians, the black Kenyans, the black Uganda, they are the ones who are going to come to help you South Africans. They are the ones who are going to come to help you South Africans.
So everybody is a sinner.
I bet you should stop in one way or the other. Sense of racism, dirty reason. You see people will be saying white people waiting for their country. White people waiting for their country. They put them hand for eyes. Eyes for their eyes anyhow. Create their own city and they don't want the South Africans to go there, the black South Africans to go there. And you guys, black South Africa, are busy chasing their brothers. When these people will come for you, is this same black Nigerians, the black Kenyans, the black Uganda, they are the ones who are going to help you. They are the ones who are going to come to help you South Africans. But you people should stop all this nonsense of racism yourself.
Nobody will stop you. Believe, come on, we have one faith. Keep your faith in one place.
When you say the white people waiting for their country. White people waiting for their country. They put them hand for eyes. Eyes for carry hand, they chook for their eyes anyhow. Create their own city. He don't say to my wonderful people. Shebona don't hear them. So let us talk about the first scarcity that's going to come in Nigeria as we talk right now. Almost everything is fucking costly in Nigeria as we talk right now. E don't red. When they hear say e don't red, what would they talk e don't red? It means say everywhere they red for Nigeria as we talk right now. And the worst part of it is that these people are not even interested of going after looking for a way to solve all this solution. Where they are going after, let me tell you the things they are going after. Don't talk about it. The way they are telling Biafras, don't talk about your own country, don't talk about living in Nigeria. It's the same way they are telling people that is talking against the current situation. If you talk about it, they be looking away. They are chasing shadows. Leave the problem they're supposed to solve. Hunger is going rampage in Nigeria. They leave it and go and be looking for people that organize protests, and they will leave it and go and looking for ESN Nnamdi Kanu in the ESN in Igbo land. They will leave it and go, but the main things are happening. The hunger is there and they are not doing anything about it. Even the Boko Haram, so the bandits, they're not even going after them, but they are busy chasing shadow. You think that this country can ever be good? Never. I said never. Okay, let's talk about this our brother Ebuka and this native doctor. Mr. Native Doctor is in, if you go to my videos, I think that was last month, you are going to see it here, where he's making a lot of comments how he's going to set a battle with Ebuka, that Ebuka should stop selling them. Yes, they are Ebuka is a pastor. His work is to fight with devil. So they believe that native doctor is working for devil. So I don't think you are the one who find trouble here, because you're not supposed to go after Ebuka. Ebuka said native doctor did not even call your name, but you are going after him direct. That is where you people got everything wrong. However, and so you drop your own opinion in the comment section and share the video.